How do composable CDPs stack up to those traditional ones in terms of that?
I think scalability is outside of privacy. Those are the two things that are most important to an organization today. And so we'll take scalability and how important that is. I think that consumers are starting to interact with businesses in pretty much every possible touch point that us as marketers and us as consumer experience individuals think about. So that could be call centers, mobile application chatbots, websites, purchasing on in-store if it's possible for retailers. So there are just a variety of touch points that now you are communicating with your consumers or with your customers. And all of that data needs to be combined in a location that accepts that much data. And traditionally, the CDPs that were built first just weren't built. They weren't data warehouses. They're not built for that much scale in the amount of consumer data and touch points that are necessary to actually meet the consumer where they want to be communicated to at the time of their purchase or the time of their unhappiness or happiness with you as a business.